Look, my man said he just got off work, but we're about to see what kind of pendejadas we do today. Can I help you with something?
Huh?
Can I help you with something?
Nah.
Nah.
I don't consent to being recorded.
Damn. I think you must pass the no trespassing sign over there.
For real?
At the gate.
Shit.
Back at McDonald's.
Hey,
what you got?
I came to talk to you about the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
What's the religion the one you don't believe in Christ?
Atheist.
What's hostile?
Huh?
Starts with H?
Holocaust?
Hanakuku? No. I don't know, but anyways, cross upside down type shit.
Alright, unfortunately, como dicen todos, we had to leave because we had to go pick up Omar. Because está triste el güey. You know what I mean? I don't know. He was sad yesterday. I think nobody bought him a cheeseburger. Today all stopped by to buy him a cheeseburger. That's why we had to leave. Right now he's gonna do a couple things to it. Hopefully by the time we get back, vamos a tener to install the intake manifold, and we go from there. Look, you gotta do what you gotta do.
What's up, gang?
I'll go buy you a cheeseburger so you won't be sad.
Nah, bro, I ain't sad. I'm still drunk.
You are sad. Look, he lying, bro. He lying. He lying. Don't move it. Ahí déjalo. Oh, it's the.
Alright, we had to go pick up Omar. Welcome back to the video.
Oh shit. So he's gonna install the coil packs right now. Brand new coil packs. He went to the junkyard and got this bracket for the V8 for the 5.3. Look at that. Unbox one for y'all. Give us a second. Camera shaking and everything. So y'all can see what a coil pack look like. Look at this. LSX coil. So currently he's about to install the intake on the engine block. And my mouth, huevos. Anywho, look, this is about to go. And 1, 2, boom.
Alright. Try one out of 3.
No digas mamá.
Not count last night.
Oh, okay.
Kind of crooked.
Alright. Let's tighten it down and see what it does.
Oh shit. Alright, so right now what he did was put on all the connections possible he could. There's a lot of wires that will not be hooked up because he deleted a lot of things. So the things he did right now, he connected all the connections to the coil packs. Hit the ground in the back. This is the fuel regulator. He connected that with a throttle body. Put a throttle body on there. See, did that side as well. Everything. Now right now he's connecting the battery to go ahead and give it a whirl and see what she can do.
Let me go get the keys. I gotta go to the safe.
A la verga.
Check the keys in the safe spot. Hey, Ma, where's the keys? Ma. ¿Y las llaves?
Está tirando frío aquí. Ahí, aquí. Sí, sí. Bueno, lo bueno que sabemos que sí está mandando la cocina.
Give me the...
So he started looking fuel from right here.
Damn. It ain't getting no fuel.
What you mean? What?
The back hose is king like a bitch.
Oh.
Alright, give it some power. Hold on. We're gonna cut that part out.
What's that?
We did for not forget to put the spark plug wire back.
Oh, okay.
Hey, get your bitch ass back in there.
Por pendejo. He forgot to put spark plug wires back on. He's a dumbass. Take 17, 25 or whatever.
Do it again? Wait, I'm still losing fuel.
Never mind. Give him a second.
Do it again.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. You heard that fuel pop? That means it's going.
Do it again. Oh, don't do that again.
Wow.
That shooting flames at the gas is shooting off right there.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go eat? Then we come back.
Cosa que yo he visto con los que andan trabajando reciente y el pasado que no. Ellos se dedican a andar para allá para acá, cosas que esa es una
Don't mind me, I'm getting my thoughts together.
Just getting your thoughts together for what? Part what of the video? Of the turn on?
The final
The
final countdown.
the final countdown. I love it.
Go ahead. Yep. Do it again. Alright,
Hold up.
go ahead.
Ready? Yo. Fire! 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 Fire!
I
Fire!
got fire on this side.
That's what he did. That's why fucking shut up.
así como las guirinos, como las cosas más blowers, esa cosa de straight to the carburetor.
Straight to the carburetor.
Yeah. I don't know, man.
Y el cerillo.
You want to
Old
get
school.
you want to give it a try?
No. You know, I got a solution.
All right
Go
now.
ahead.
Bye.
Go ahead.
I ain't gonna lie, así como se escucha, shit gonna sound.
Yeah, we gotta get it running first.
Ah, pero aunque sea así, güey. Hearing it like how it hears right now,
Go ahead. Hold the gas pedal,
I am.
or then try to turn it. Just hold it. It ain't gonna do nothing. Just hold it. Do it again. Hold the gas pedal. Dale. Go ahead.
This is real hard.
Yeah. Look at that smile. Why you smiling so hard? Why you smiling so
Stay
hard?
on.
Look at it. Alright, so removing the fuel rails so he can replace the injectors. Como dicen aquí, can't fuck with money. Give me a second. Como dicen, look at that. Brand new injectors. Cause the other ones were, some were clogged up and not shooting any.
Closed? They were stuck closed or open?
They were stuck closed or open.
Or open.
Yeah, but some people don't know what that means, so you know what I mean?
Oh, open.
They won't close, they won't spraying no gasoline, or open, they were just spraying gas like that. It was choking out the engine. There you go. Just pulled them out. Now he's gonna replace all the injectors. Look at that. We'll get back to you when he takes them out and he's replacing them. Back on the. All right. So he took that last bolt he was crying and whining about. Now he's about to install the brand new fuel injectors. Look at that. Man, really licking fuel injectors, right? You need Jesus in your life for something.
You can't stick it in dry, mama. Remember that shit.
No comment?
Tell you what.
Hmm.
They don't taste factory.
They don't taste factory. I love it.
Do it again. Alright, I can go to bed happy now.
This motherfucker.